WGU's Career and Professional Development team offers several on-demand resources for career development and job search. In this video, we'll be looking at our YouTube channel and our Career and Professional Development blog.
We record all of our advisor-led workshops and most of our employer-led events and post them to our YouTube channel. These videos are a great self-serve resource that cover many topics in career and professional development, such as resume and cover letter creation, networking and LinkedIn, interview prep and salary negotiation, as well as how to navigate career change. We've organized our videos into themed playlists, so you can dig into specific topics of interest or browse by subject area. This is also where you'll find our overview recordings on things like our integrated platforms, as well as our live events. And finally, you can use the search feature if you're looking for something specific. Career and Professional Development also hosts a blog found in the WGU Knowledge Center that's updated multiple times per week with posts from our advisors and employer relations team. You can search for specific topics by entering your search terms here in the search bar and selecting the search field as blog. Again, topics span all things career. So if you have a question or just want to know more about what support and resources we offer, our blog is a great resource for timely information and on-demand support.
We hope you have a better understanding of the on-demand resources available to you from Career and Professional Development. The links to the resources we described are included in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.